Hi, good morning everyone. Today I'm going to talk about, or I'm making a video about Euro GBP pair, and you can see it's a monthly chart. And I'm going to give an overall view on this Euro GBP pair. What is the trend and when it will take a rejection or what? So I'm going to tell you all those things based on the multi time frame analysis. Okay. So if you can see this, it's a daily chart, right? It's a monthly chart. Okay. So in this area, I already placed the some sort of area and resistance, but I'm going to remove it. Okay. So if you can see, there is some sort of area near 0.3900 and also 0.8 4, yeah, 300 we can say. The price was stuck in this area from the past 4 years. See, you can see this, from the 2016. Okay, from the 2016 June to till now, the price was stuck in this range of area, we can say that. Okay. But in this area, one thing, by watching the monthly chart, we get a one conclusion that what is means 0.3400 is acting as a resistance and 0.8300 level, yeah, 200 level is acting as a support. So the now we have to check where is the price is near to 0.8700 level, right? So we have to check, is there any area of interest in between these range. So see, there is a range. I'm going to show you, wait. See, what I'm going to tell you is, when the price was broken 0.600 level, then only it went to the next higher level. But once this level is 0.8600 was not broken, it means it won't come down. So like that 0.900 level was should be break to go higher level. But if doesn't break, means it was not going anywhere, it was still in this area. If 0.3900 level broken, then only it will go upside. If 0.38 200 level will be broken, then it will go downside. Until then the price was stuck between these two area, these two this range. Okay. So this is the first point. I'm getting to the range. We can see your four area of interest. So, and then if I see this area, the price was stuck between 0.900 to 0.600 in the whole 2017 to until 19, yeah, until June 19, the price was stuck between in that area. But once it broken, it touches the resistance area and it also touches the support area. And if you can, that will be shown, that point should be, we can clearly seen in this area. So if I'm going to, one thing I'm tell you is, the price will touch the 0.8400 level in the next coming months, but it won't go directly. So what we have to do is, we have to like check where the price may get rejection, yeah, correction, or it will definitely touch that level, or it will hold. So we have to get a conclusion about that. So for that, I'm going to analyze a weekly chart. So in the weekly chart, what I'm going to see is, wait, let me show you. The price 0. See, the price, 0.900 level already broken, and I made a profit from this trade also. And it was near to 0.600 to 700 range, this range. So in this range, if the price came and rejected, it's showing rejection from this area, and it went against the if the price was rejected from this area, means it was holding back and it may take some time. So once 0.8 700 or 600 range will be broken, then only it will go and touch another, then only it will go another 20 pips, 200 pips down, otherwise it won't go. So in the monthly trend it will say it's a downtrend, but if I see the weekly trend, it's already coming at near to some area of interest where the price may get rejected in this area. So if you want to take a risk here, we can put in sell trade and we can put TP as a 0.8700. We may get out of 76 60 or 70 pips here. But to see the long term, we should wait to see the reaction. We should wait for to see reaction here. Is the price was breaking 0.8600 level or 0.700 level? Is it breaking or not? We should wait to get an idea about this. So see, if the price was started to broke below 0.70, then we can say 0.8750, then we can may sell in daily because it's a good sell, but it's already in the oversold region, so it's not good to sell here. What we have to do is we should wait for a signal to confirm, is it price going to reject it from this area or not. So in that case, if the price was rejected, then the price will go up, right? Then when the price shows a reversal condition, then it's very good to sell from that level, and we can expect 0.8 600 as our next TP. So this is a long term analysis on the Euro GBP trade. Yeah, it's overall it's a downtrend, but we can't enter anywhere in the middle. Yeah, monthly is saying a downtrend, but in weekly and also in daily we should have a same scenario, same trade direction, then only we should enter. In the weekly and in the daily, it's already in the oversold condition, so we can't enter here. We may if the price get rejected from that area or price shows some correction, we may get loss, or we may in the wrong trend of the trade. So what we have to do is we should wait and we should see, is it going down or what. We have to watch, then only we should enter for this rate. But it's really good to watch overall trend long in the long term. It's a downtrend. If the 0.87, my point, what I'm going to tell is, if the price is rejected from 0.8700 level, then we should go for some buy here. Yeah, it's a downtrend, but we can go for a buy and we can grab some pips. So like that, we should think and do the analysis, and then we should enter for a trade. And please keep watching this pair and make some pips from this pair, guys. And thank you so much. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to it, and like my video and share it to more people. And thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. And this is how I am going to analyze my trade opportunities using different time frames. Thank you so much.